When the hydro's off, you're supposed to treat any stoplights that aren't working as a four-way stop. Let's see how that goes here.
Holy fuck, the lights are out. You gotta stop, dummy.
Most people know what to do when an emergency vehicle's approaching. However, some either don't know, or panic, or in the case of this lady, just remain oblivious and drive in front of the ambulance.
Need some... Yeah, you stupid ass!
We have
Covered.
in the archive.
The driver of this black VW was obviously in a hurry, but got stopped by the red light. But that was only the start of his erratic and aggressive driving.
There he goes. What the fuck is he doing? He's gonna go... Oh my god. He's pulling a Yui. Then he didn't stop at the stop sign. What a fucking tool.
You always need to be aware of your surroundings behind the wheel. The driver of this pickup truck clearly wasn't, as he forced an oncoming motorcycle to brake and avoid an accident.
That was good.
And it wouldn't be one of my videos without more red light runners, showing they're more important than the rules of the road.
That's a red light you're going through. That's a red light you're going through. Not that you care.
Absolutely. All the best stories are when it was hard. All the better stories are when it was...
That's a red light, folks.
You're so aware of the struggle.
Jeez.
And you're so conscious.